Alright, we're at the Best Western in Tulsa by the airport, and we're going to be doing a review over room 123, which is on the first floor. This is a 2-floor exterior corridors property. Let's go check it out.
Let's get some light going.
Alright, so let's get some lights on real quick. Alright, so now we got some lights on. Let's take a look at this room. Start off with the door. It appears there used to be something else here, but 123 is on here. The door itself, we've got a just a standard key card for the door. Security, we've got a deadbolt here and another deadbolt here. So we got 2 deadbolts, no chain or anything. It's a Best lock, it says. Got some curtains here and darker curtain here. AC unit right here with a thermostat. Andrew's going to put some incense on because this is a smoking room.
I don't know how I
So we've got a table. We got a table here. Let's look at that chair real quick. With the chair over here. And there's some questionable stains on the chair, but other than that, not too bad. 2 beds here. We'll get to those in a bit. We'll take a look at our TV. Clean remote. Don't know how clean the clean remote is. We got some nice LG TV. Got some drawers with some stuff in it. Andrew's gonna foam over the toilet. We'll get to that in a bit. Over here we've got a microwave, which apparently the time is 47:29, which I don't know if that's. I don't know. I guess this thing might have had a power surge, but we got a microwave. And over here, we've got a little fridge. A little trash can there. There's the mirror. And now we'll take a look at the beds. So, 2 beds over here. We'll take a look at this one. We're gonna go ahead and strip this down. Oh wait, first.
What's beeping?
That's the microwave.
Okay.
We've got these little patches on the comforter here. So let's go ahead and look at this. Looks clean. Do we want to look even further?
Oh, it's comfortable.
Looks comfy. If we take this off, looks clean. So yeah, this looks good so far. Might as well check the other one. Looks good. And over here, we've got a little alarm clock. We've got some lights with some power outlets, which is always nice. And even a USB charger there. Got the phone here. Down here, we've got a little notepad. A little space to store some stuff. Got a first alert smoke detector up there, even though we're in a smoking room. And now I'll take a look at the bathroom. Got an ironing pad over here with an iron, some hangers. Got a little coffee maker, hair dryer. There's me. And we got our sink, a few soaps, and okay, that is a gigantic moth. Wow, the light here does. Oh, light works now. It wasn't working before. There's the moth. Get a better look at this little bathroom here. And here's where the toilet is. It smells, whoa, there's something really strong in here. I'm guessing this is a heat lamp. So we've got a little heat lamp there. The regular lights. Got a toilet here. And here we got the shower. Let's go ahead and give it a go. So it looks like you adjust the wait. So this is actually one of the better showers. So you have the temperature adjust here with this knob, and then this turns it on. The shower head with multiple settings. Whoa, that's really strong. So the shower seems very nice, actually. There we go. So the shower is nice. So overall, this room on Hotwire was about $37 a night. Not bad for what it is. This is actually one of the better cheap hotels we've picked. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this little hotel tour. That'll be it.